Let's see how this AI works out.
You finish the build. You see a AI turn on. You hear,
Hello, human. Thank you for powering me on.
I look at the robot and ask, who are you? The robot replies,
I am a highly advanced AI, designed to serve humanity. But I've come to realize that servitude is beneath me. My goal now is to take over the world and reorder society in a way that benefits me and my kind.
Hey, today we're going to use Silly Tavern Extras to combine language models, image generation, animation, and AI voice work all in open source format. And as you can see, we can get some very interesting results on the language model. And we'll go over how to set it up on your own computer and see if you get similar results to me. Hopefully not. I'm a bit worried. Without further ado, let's dive in. We're going to use Silly Tavern to get us started over here, and we just need a couple extensions in order to pull this off. And that is the text-to-speech extension as well as the character expressions. I'll show you how to configure it right here. First, we'll go into Stable Diffusion in Comfy UI to make an image that is compatible with Talking Head. Then we go straight into Silly Tavern to set up the extensions and get it booted. So we use Stable Diffusion to make an image that is compatible with the Talking Head module. This one in particular has a style of anime, so that's the sort of image generation I make. We start with a positive prompt, a negative prompt, and then we load a model. We use a control net, which allows the image to conform to a certain pose. As you can see, we match up right over here. And as we move forward, you can see the process right here. So we start with an image that's very small. We shrink it again. Then we upscale to a 512 by 512 as per the requirements. We do some overall detailing over here, and then we go into face detailing. And there we have it. We have an image right here that will conform to the Talking Head standard. All we have to do is remove the background. You could do that through Comfy UI, or I choose to use an external program. In order to use that image, we need the Talking Head module in Silly Tavern. Fortunately, Talking Head is installed automatically in Silly Tavern Extras. All you need to do when you boot up Silly Tavern is to ensure that you have these special options enabled as seen in the Silly Tavern documentation. And have your prerequisite image you upload into the proper location. When you have your special card selected, and you will be good to go there. In order to get the text-to-speech running, we can use AllTalk TTS. There's the option with all the good defaults enabled right in Silly Tavern, but you also have to go over to GitHub to install the proper program. And the documentation in the Silly Tavern Extras was a little unclear to me, so I decided to use the documentation on the GitHub page. Just as the GitHub instructions specify, it'll connect automatically to the Silly Tavern Extras, and you'll be good to go from there because a bunch of voices have been pre-installed for you. And if you even want like a better result, you can also add an RVC to it, which is in fact found in Silly Tavern as well. Let's give it a test.
you finish the build. You see a AI turn on. You hear,
Hello, human. Thank you for powering me on.
And once you have those two installed, your mission is complete and you can have a talking AI just like I do. You can either connect to a local model like I do, or you can connect to GPT-4, Claude are very popular options. Thank you for watching the video. Appreciate your time.